What is up, guys? Sequel here. Today we're going to be doing some awesome fidget spinner trick shots. Let's do it. Fidget spinner ping pong ball shot. Let's go! Spin. This is the zip tie spinner shot. Oh, let's go! First try!
Now the target's knocked down. Yes! Target's knocked down.
Hey! It's called the Claymation Edit Shot. We're doing this trick shot with a Tar Heel football, Wolfpack basketball, or one that is neither. Comment below who you would want to win. Wolfpack, Tar Heels, or neither. Let's do it. Watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Sequel 2.0. I'm gonna have some way more fidget spinner videos, trick shots, sports edits to come. It's gonna be awesome. If you don't have a fidget spinner of your own, make sure you go to the store. They have them at like Toys R Us and Amazon and stuff. So if you don't have one, make sure you go to the store or go online and get your own because they're so cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.